First, here is the flow of making an egg tart and the ingredients. Now the next step is to put the pie sheet into the mold and bake the tart dough. Next, spread the dough into a buttered mold. Warm the milk and cream, then mix in the egg yolks to make a smooth custard base. Pour the custard into the molds, then bake it slowly in the oven.
When the aroma of freshly baked goods spreads, let it cool down a little. Enjoy it slowly with your family.